welcome back to my channel. But here's my number, so call me maybe. So today I am doing a holiday get ready with me. It's not quite the holidays yet, but it's seasonal, you know, it's time. And I'm just gonna attempt to do some glam for you guys. As you can see, my hair is washing out pretty nicely. It's like 10 different shades of pink and orange, and it's amazing. But anyways, yeah, today we're just gonna chit chat and do some makeup. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing yet, but we're just gonna go with it. I already have my face makeup on because I did that earlier, but today, what was I saying? I didn't want to take it off and then redo it, so that's what happened. And I have a mirror. I'm not going to show you because I'm lazy to move it, but I have a mirror. Woo woo. Getting my life together. I'm in such a good mood, guys. Like, my day was super good. I don't have many of those, but today was good. So great. A highlight. Hello. Anyways, I don't know what I'm doing. We're having fun, you know. I skipped last week. I didn't post or upload or film a video, obviously, last week because it was Thanksgiving. Very fun. Ate a lot. Gained like 5 pounds. Maybe more. I was gonna do like a Thanksgiving vlog, but I just wanted to spend time with my family, so I just like didn't. You feel me? But I hope you guys had a good holiday. I hope it was fun. I hope you ate a lot and gained some weight like me. So this is like my favorite time of the year, honestly. My absolute favorite. Oh, I had to burp. I just love food so much, and like there's literally a day just to eat, and it's absolutely amazing. But after that amazing eating festive holiday comes Christmas, and that is my absolute favorite. Not because the gifts, it's just I love Christmas socks. I love everything about Christmas and the weather and just the presents too. I mean, this year for Christmas I want I really want a camera because I film on my phone through an app and everything, and I just really want a camera, but they're like freaking expensive, and with a camera I'd want like something to edit with, so I would need a laptop, and I really want an Apple MacBook, but like those two things combined are hecka expensive, so I'm not gonna like empty my parents' bank account and be a little brat and beg for that, you know? So they're buying me a TV instead. That sounds like the same, but it's really not. I don't know, because we have like these smart TVs and they're really cool and they have Netflix and stuff on them already. And I used to have a TV in my room, but I don't anymore. And I just watch Netflix and stuff on my phone. And they're always like, you just watch it on your phone, like don't you want a TV? And I was like thinking about it. I'm like, yeah, I do. I'm also thinking ahead. I'm 17. Next year I'll be 18. Next Christmas I'll be 18. So, if I get a TV now, when I eventually move out and live my life, you know, I could take that TV with me because it is mine. They gave it to me for Christmas, so I could just take it wherever I go and I don't have to buy a expensive TV, you know. That's called smart thinking. And I want clothes and money. I don't know. I don't really want anything for Christmas. Like if they got me socks and like gift cards and stuff, I'd be happy. What am I doing? I don't want this color. I'd be happy and grateful. And my favorite thing about Christmas is I'm obsessed with Christmas tree. I love putting a Christmas tree up. I love how it looks in the living room. It's just so freaking gorgeous. I love it. Okay, you know, I do want this color. I'm gonna see what happens here, okay? We're just gonna mess around a bit. That did nothing. Okay, added a bit of red in here. Don't know why. It's festive color. I'm not gonna add green though because green, I don't want to mess it up. Okay, it's probably already messed up and I'm just blind to see it. And you guys are all probably like, oh, what is she doing? But it's okay. What should I talk about? I don't even know. Christmas stuff? Let's talk about eggnog. Eggnog is good, but it's disgusting at the same time. I liked it 2 years ago, and then last year I didn't like it, and now I'm craving it, so I'm kind of weird. But it's okay, because it's festive. It's a festive drink. Ooh, Starbucks drinks. Ooh, their peppermint mocha is really good. Hot or cold, whatever you like. It's good. It's good. You should get it. It's really, really good. Okay, I'm putting glitter on my lid, but it's like straight up glitter, and I'm too lazy to get like glitter glue or anything. I'm gonna need something on my freaking eyelid. Frick. I don't want to. Okay, I'm back. So, couldn't find what I was looking for, so I'm just gonna like carve out my lid, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. We're just gonna go with the flow. Hopefully I don't mess up because I'm really digging it and I wanna like impress you guys with my makeup skills that I don't have. So yeah. What the? My cat just like tried to spit. Okay, this is kind of okay, I guess. I'm not really worried about it. It's a little messy, but nothing the blending can't fix. Oh, that already looks so much better! Sorry, I'm in like such a good mood, guys. Such a good mood. Don't know why, but I am. And I have been all day. Oh, it's my baby! Come here! I'm in love! Oh, mwah. Come kiss my lover. Okay, go. Ugh. Our cat hair just got in my mouth. Okay, now for the... Her cat hair is still everywhere. Okay. Time for the fun part. Glitter. Hopefully I do this good. Oh my god, I'm just gonna press it on. Press. Ooh, wow. Okay. I'm gonna be honest. I saw a picture like this on Instagram and I saved it and I thought it was really pretty. So maybe that's what I'm going off of. But maybe it's just my own creation. Actually, no. This is looking freaking messed up. Oh wait, I fixed it. Okay, I don't think you can see, but there is yeah, you can see. So much fallout. Didn't think this through, sis. Okay, let's talk some more. Christmas music. I like it, but only certain songs. I think most Christmas music is boring as hell. Okay, the glitter's not coming off, and this eye looks shinier than the other one, so I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh! That's really bad, actually. Okay, I think that's, better. I didn't say it was gonna be good, guys. I just said this is a holiday makeup and chit-chat video. Get ready with me, whatever. I didn't say makeup tutorial. That's why I'm not telling you what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my goodness. Now there's glitter everywhere. I'm just gonna add more shadow and just mess around. It's already messed up, so if I mess it up even more, it's okay. It's okay. So I'm gonna dip into the shade. No. Actually, I'm just gonna add more red. Why? Because I want to. Does it look good? Probably not. But it kind of looks orange, like it matches my shirt. If I did this right and there wasn't like glitter all over my face, like I would really feel this look, you know? But it's just not working. So I'm gonna take this brush. I'm gonna dip into, the red. And I'm gonna give myself pink eye. Oh, it doesn't even look. Tell me when that kind of looks good. Like something Laura Lee would do, you know? I take that back. Oh, I take that back. Oh god, okay. Didn't know this could get any worse, but it just did. watch this video and be really disappointed with me because she's like really good at makeup. And usually I'm really good at makeup, but like I'm just... Oh, this looks so bad. Why did I do this? Well, since I can't do anything else wrong, since it's already wrong and mess up, I'm gonna add green like I said that I wasn't. Why? Because we can. It's Christmas. Christmas colors. You can't even tell it's green. Hey. You know, it's whatever. Aww. Hi, baby. She's like, it's okay that you freaked up. I still love you. Oh, you still love me? Oh my god. Okay, bye. No one wants to see your butt. Nasty. From far away, it kind of looks like it would look good, but when you get close, it's like really gross. Like, look at that. Ew, that looks like bloody poop. It's like streaky. And I can't blend it for some reason. I give up. I was gonna put lashes on, but I'm not gonna waste these freaking lashes for a crappy look. Thought I was gonna do good. But I will make it look even worse with some red lip. Oh, she going bold. Never, ever, 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 ever wear red lipstick. I feel like I'm too white and it makes my face like look worse. So here we go. And it's messy, and look it, like that does not look like it belongs there. No, ma'am. Why is it like, nothing ever works out for me. Just kidding. Makeup wise, maybe. Actually, for the holidays, I went to like 3 different Thanksgivings, and my makeup was popping for all of them. Oh my god, this is like a bright red, and then my lips are like, my eyes. Ah! I'm just all calm now. Oh, my lips are not that small, okay? I didn't fill them in all the way. They're at least a little bigger than that, honey. Okay. And I didn't overline. Okay, that looks like no difference. Okay, I have a small upper lip. I'm gonna overline. Wow. See, it just looks like it doesn't belong there. Okay, this is the ugliest thing I've ever seen in my life. Really bad. Let me zoom in. This is so bad. Ah, it's in my teeth too. Oh, she's crusty. So I guess this is like how not to do your holiday makeup. You feel me? Oh, wow, I'm really disappointed in myself. This is why I never use red. Red, I have the worst luck with the color red. Like lips, eyes, I can never pull off red on my face. So I blame it on that. You know what? It didn't even look that bad until I added the glitter and more red and green and just totally screwed it up. When I go this way, it looks like I have no upper lip. Love that for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you think my makeup looks really bad, give it a thumbs up. If you think it looks really good, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below stuff. Next week I have a really fun video planned. Hopefully it works out next week. We'll see, but I'm excited. Stay tuned. Turn the bell on. And most importantly, subscribe. Okay, bye.
Hey, I just met you.